For our third and final metric, we will be calculating the stochastics oscillator. This is another 0 to 100 momentum oscillator that is calculated utilizing more than just a close this time. So we're going to be using our high, low, and close values from our data frame to create our %K value, and then taking a simple 3-period moving average to calculate our %D. Both of these signals are used in conjunction to look for over and underbought conditions of a stock, and also to look for impending price changes to the same stock as well. So to calculate this, we will be, as in our previous examples, downloading our financial data from Y-Finance. We will create a function where we will now pass multiple values from our created data frame to get our %K and our %D values. We will return both of these values, and as in our last example, append 2 new columns to our data frame with that function call. As with our last examples as well, I do want to give some credit to Rune. So if you would like some deeper explanation for these, for this metric, the stochastics oscillator, I would recommend that you jump over to learnpythonwithrune.org. Great financial discussion around exactly what the oscillator tells you and how to calculate it, giving you another fresh take on what this metric can do for you. With that, let's hop over to the live example.